Today we're going to learn about multiplication and division using base 10 blocks. So this is our flat. We're going to start with a flat, and what we'll use as this on this app is this ruler, and it measures each centimeter, so each unit. There's one unit, remember, in this block, in this flat, sorry. And so 10 by 10, it's a 10 by 10 block, 10 by 10 flat, 10 by, this is a 0 guys, 10, okay? So 10 times 10 is 100, so it equals 100. Okay, there are 100 units in this one block. So 10 by 10. So 10 times 10. It's kind of the area of what the block is. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do a multiplication table this way. Okay, and I want to do, so I have 200. Let's do it this way. Add 10. This way. So I have this. And I'm going to add more on this side. So I'll do this. Add another one. So I have that. I'm going to add this. Whoops. Add a unit here and a unit here. So let me take my ruler and show you visually what I'm going to talk about. So we have this. Oops. Alright. So this is our multiplication table area. Okay, we have 2 flats and we have 4 longs and 2 units. Alright, so to visually see this, we're going to do green, green, I'm going to do these red, so our multiplication problem is, so we have a 11, this is an 11 times, then we have, this area is 10, 20, 21, 22, 22. So what we have is 11 times 22, and that means we have so we have 200. So what we could do is, let's do it in this color, we have 200 flats. So we have 2 flats, which is 200. Then we have 4 longs, which is 40. And then we're adding that. And then we have 2 units. So if we add that up, it'll be 242. 11 times 22 equals 242. Okay? Now let's do division. Dividing is, oh man, is what you're going to do is take all of it and divide everything up into pieces. Okay, so as I am going to show you visually how we're going to do this. So let's take the number, I'm going to write it down so you can see it. 562 divided by 4. Okay? So how would we do this? So I'm going to take 5 of my flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay? Whoops, went too far. So I have 5 flats. I have 6 longs. 5, 6, and 2 units. Alright? And I want to divide that up into 4 different groups. I'm going to regroup. Okay? And whoops, there we go. And so visually I am going to show you how. So we have one group. We have, whoopsies, 2, and we have, oh my goodness, no, there, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to start with our flats. And we have 5 flats, so I'm going to regroup them. So we got 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. It needs to go in evenly. Okay, that's the big thing, evenly. So I wish. Ooh. No. There. No. Why won't that happen? Technology these days. Come on. Come on. Why won't it happen? Okay, if I zoom up it works, but if I don't, it doesn't. There we go. Let's see if it works now. Okay. Alright. Stay. Okay, so we have 4 different groups. Let's say this again. We have 562, and I just distributed 4 into the 4 groups, but I have another one. I need to empty out this side, and it needs to be evenly distributed. Sometimes it doesn't do that, and maybe this problem will show you the reason. Okay, so what I need to do is make these into 10s. I need to make these into longs, so I'm going to do it differently. Now we're going to do longs because we don't have any more flats to evenly distribute. Okay, so we have 1 over here. We're going to distribute all the longs. Okay, now all our longs have distributed evenly. Okay, look at that. Now we have 2. Okay, now we have 2, but we can't distribute these 2 evenly. We can't just put 1 over here and 1 there. We have to have it all in the same one. So we have 2 left over. Okay, this is our remainder. This is what we have left over. Out of 562, we have 2 left over. So in one section right here, in the one section, that is our answer. But don't forget we have to add our 2. So what our answer would be is, is 100 and 140 remainder, that's an R, 2. Alright, do you understand? Thumbs up? Okay.